Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can install a VMware Workstation Pro in Windows operating system. Let's get started. So first, let's go to the VMware website. So go to vmware.com and click the Products tab here and look for the Workstation Pro under the Desktop Hypervisor. So let's click the Workstation Pro. And from here, let's scroll down a bit and let's click the download trial. So VMware is giving you 30 days trial period. So let's click the download trial and let's scroll down and let's click the download now. And let's wait to finish the download. It will take just a few seconds to complete the download. It's almost done. Yep, it's completed. And then let's open the download folder. So let's double click the file that we just downloaded. Let's click yes, and we'll start installing the Workstation 17 Pro. Let's click next, and let's take this one, next, and let's leave it as is. Next, 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 and install. It's now installing all the necessary packages for this Workstation Pro. Let's wait to finish this setup. So it's completed. Let's click finish and let's open the VMware Workstation. Let's click this one. And as you can see, it's asking for a license key for our VMware Workstation 17 Pro. But you can enter the license key if you already have one. But for now, if you want to try it for 30 days, just click this one and continue. Click yes, and it will open the Workstation Pro for us. So you can now create a new virtual machine from this Workstation Pro, and it has a lot of features compared to Workstation Player. So why don't we try creating a new virtual machine? So let's say we want to create a Ubuntu virtual machine. So let's go to the Ubuntu website and we will download the ISO file. So ubuntu.com and go to the Get Ubuntu tab here and click the server and Get Ubuntu server. Click this one and let's click the download Ubuntu server 22.04.4 and let's wait to finish the download. It's now starting to download the ISO file and this is what we're gonna use to create a new virtual machine. Let's wait to finish the download first. It's almost done. It's completed. Let's go to the download folder. As you can see, the ISO file has been downloaded. So let's go back to our workstation. And then from here, let's create a new virtual machine. Let's click to that and then next. And let's browse to the ISO file that we just downloaded. Let's go to the download folder and click to this ISO file, open, and let's click next. And then let's name it as Ubuntu 64-bit 22.04.4. And you can change the location of your virtual machine. So in my case, I will leave it, into the default location, but it's up to you where you want to save all the necessary files for your virtual machine. So I'm gonna click next, and I will leave it as 20 gig. So it's up to you if you wanna increase the size of your VM. And let's click on next, and let's customize hardware. Let's click to that, and then from here, network adapter, I'm gonna select the bridge, close, and then click finish. Then it will auto start the virtual machine, and let's enter, and it will start installing the VM for us. Let's wait to finish the installation. Yep, let's choose English, click done, select Ubuntu server, and then done, hit done, then done. Let's wait to test it if everything is okay. It's being tested. It says here that this mirror location pass test. So let's click done and then let's leave it as is. Let's click done and then done and continue. Then let's name it as test Ubuntu. Test Ubuntu. Let's make it as Belray's Toolkit as the username, and I will enter my password here. Re-enter the password, and then done. Then let's skip it for now. We will not enable the Ubuntu Pro. Continue, and then select install Open SSH. So after the installation, we can SSH to this Ubuntu server. Click done, and then just hit done. And then let's wait to finish the installing the system. It's still installing, and let's wait to finish installing all the necessary packages for our Ubuntu server. Installation complete. So let's click the cancel update and let's reboot the virtual machine. It will now reboot the Ubuntu server virtual machine, and just hit enter, and then let's wait to boot up the server. So let's hit enter, and then let's enter our username, Belarus Toolkit, and then the password. We will do a verification. So now we are inside our virtual machine, the Ubuntu server, and let's check the IP address. So it says 50.47. So let's do a dig verification, or let's check if the NSLOOKUP to the public domain is working. So let's do a dig google.com. Yep, we're getting a response from the DNS resolver. So let's ping CNN, or let's ping google.com. So it means we can go out to the internet. You have now successfully installed a Ubuntu server in a newly installed VMware Workstation Pro. If you like this kind of video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.